Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage. And today I have my Tmaxx here, and I have the replacement arm that I broke the last time I took it out. I know I said I was going to get RPM A-arms, but they were all sold out, and I kind of didn't want to wait until they were back in stock. So I just got the regular Traxxas ones, and then I also got the hinge pin screw because the other one broke. But we are going to replace that today, and then we're also going to reinforce the body and reinforce the Slash's body in today's video. So we're just going to do, you know, some little things to help my RC cars. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, I changed the lower A-arm. I got a little confused with the hinge pin screw because I didn't realize these came with the 2 different sizes. I didn't realize they gave me like the top hinge pin screws and the bottom. I thought it just came with the lower ones. So I put the upper ones on the lower one, it was sticking way out and then it wouldn't turn. So I was like, what the heck? And then I realized that there's 2 different sizes. So then I put the right one in and it's fine now. Everything works. Everything's all good. Now I'm going to move over to the body and then the nitro slash body and reinforcing those and I'm going to fix a crack in the nitro slash's body. And I'll put that on camera too. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I'm not going to go over duct taping the body. I'm not going to put it in the video because you guys have seen me do that already. And it's the same process, just different body. But I am going to show me fixing the crack because I didn't show that one. But I'm going to show this one just so you guys can see what I do. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, I was able to put all the zip ties in. I kind of messed up on the end here because I put an extra hole that I didn't need, but it worked out. I just put it to the same hole right here on the bottom. But yeah, that's the stitching. I guess I did it on the back here. Nothing inside. I still haven't finished actually lining it with duct tape. I wanted to do this first, and so I could just work around it. And I think I'm also gonna cut just a little hole here, so air can go over and pass through the engine right there. But yeah, I think it looks good. I just had to reinforce this body and then reinforce the Tmaxx body, but since you guys have seen me do that, you know, a couple times, that's gonna not be in this video. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to go down there, leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.